In Italy, we say that the water of the pasta must taste like the water of the sea. So salt your water.
Hi, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel Rani's Pakshala and more. আমার কাছে আমার নিজের গার্ডেনের অনেক টমেটোস হয়েছে। চাটনিও করব, এত দিয়ে তো চাটনি করতে পারবো না, তাই কিছু দিয়ে পাস্তা বানাবো। আর এইখানে রয়েছে অনেক ভেজিটেবল, ঝিঙে হয়েছে আমার গাছের, বেগুন হয়েছে, তারপরে উচ্ছে হয়েছে, এই রকমের বেগুনও হয়েছে। এগুলো দিয়েও মার্কো খুব ভালোবাসে আমাদের দেশি খাবার, তার জন্য বেগুন বাসন্তী বানাবো আর ঝিঙে পোস্ত করব। ঝিঙে দুটোই মাত্র হয়েছে, তার জন্য আলু দেব সাথে, ঝিঙে আলু পোস্ত করব আর উচ্ছে ভাজা করব। জল বসিয়ে দিয়েছি গরম করতে, এখন লবণ দিতে হবে। মার্কো, হাউ মাচ সল্ট আই পুট?
1 fist. Like this.
Okay.
It must be salty like the sea.
While the water was heating, Marco chopped the tomatoes and I made tea for us.
Little bit more.
Okay.
Like
জল ফুটে উঠেছে, পাস্তাগুলো দিয়ে দিব জলে। এটা হোলটা দিচ্ছি না, বেশি হয়ে যাবে। Like this, Marco?
yes, actually
Yeah?
better to spread.
Oh, okay.
Do you have tongs?
Yeah, we have tongs there.
You completely submerge.
Okay.
Yeah, because otherwise it cooks not homogeneously.
Oh, okay. For how long we have to cook pasta?
It depends. The time is here. 11 minutes.
Oh, timer?
Yes.
Okay. And he is now making a tomato sauce for
Yeah.
pasta.
Extra virgin olive oil. This maybe we add a little bit at the end.
Oh, okay. In the end,
Yes.
two, three of garlic cloves.
2, 3. Yeah.
About 1 kilos of tomatoes here.
Yeah.
Is already done.
Garlic is already quite brown.
Next step.
Tomatoes. High flame, and salt because tomato cooks faster.
Okay. On high heat.
Yeah, high heat.
Okay.
We don't have a lot of time.
Important ingredient is basil. Marco show you and show me too how can pick the leaves from the basil plant.
So you see here at the basis of the stem you have new leaves sprouting. So the best thing is to take the whole top like this.
Yeah.
So 2 more will sprout out. So always take the top, never take the basis of the leaves.
Thank you, Marco.
I'm just adding a little bit more oil. Now it's getting thicker and it lost most of the liquid. We can lower the flame.
Okay.
Timer is done. Let's try if it's al dente. Yeah,
It's done. Put the pasta to the
Now we
tomato.
yes.
Help you? I can put.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah.
yeah. Almost done. The way to put basil, because it saves all the aroma, you just break it directly on the pasta.
Okay.
I like a lot of basil.
Me too.
Our pasta is done. I will just plate it. This
Okay.
is just for the show.
Wow. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is. Thank you, Marco.
Welcome.
pasta.
Why?
So
Good, Oishe?
The tomatoes are very good.
Yeah, because sun-ripe tomatoes.